Hello and welcome to this short session on mood boards. Okay, in this session we're going to look at um, what mood boards are, understand what is meant by mood boards and what they include. So, first things first, what on earth is a mood board? To put it simply, a mood board is a collage of objects. And when we say objects, we mean things like images, colours, text, patterns, that sort of thing. It's just to capture a feeling, theme, or design ideas, really. We'll look more at that in a second. Um, the purpose of a mood board is, as this quote says here, to generate ideas and concepts for new media products, to stimulate creativity and innovative approaches. So, in other words, you've been given a brief, you make a mood board, and it really does help with your creativity in terms of you see visually what other people have done for a particular scenario. Um, they they focus ideas in one place. So look at this in the corner here. Look, this one you can tell it's about handbags because handbags all over this, or fabric, something like that, and all the ideas are in one place there. They're used to generate ideas for a client to meet their approval before sending the final product. So if you put a mood board together, you can send that to the client. They have a look at it and see if it matches with what they were thinking as well. Use of a mood board. They're used to plan the style of a product. It's a visual tool from the starting point. It's used in the planning stages of a project. So you make a mood board before you do anything else. You wouldn't make the product before you do a mood board. Um, a mood board does not show what the final product will look like. It just gives you ideas of what you could add to your final product. Content of a mood board. Images are a massive thing in mood boards, and images we mean anything that is relevant or related to existing products, photos, and or logos. So, if you were asked to make a poster for Saving the Planet, you might get content that's relevant to Saving the Planet, e.g., some photos or some posters or logo that's related to Saving the Planet. Colours, relevant colours. And what we mean by that is those that meet the target audience. So if it's aimed at children, you wouldn't use dark colours, you probably use more bright colours, or colours that meet the client brief. If they give you specific colours, make sure you're putting those into the mood board as well. Text, and by that I mean keywords and fonts. So if it's about saving the world, you might have planet or saving the earth as some keywords, and you put that in different fonts as well. Textures, fabrics, other materials. These are normally used in physical mood boards rather than computer-based ones. Some examples of mood board here. You can see on this one here, look, this fashion one here. You'll see the colours at the top here, so the colour scheme they're going to use. You can see some text here, see some more images, and you can see some patterns that are going to be used on the design. So, how on earth do you create a mood board? First thing you need to do is collect a range of materials, e.g., images, text, and material. Arrange them together on a page. To put them together, like this one here, look, put them all together neat, nice and neat. And remove anything that does not fit in with the theme. So, if your themes, this one, for example, in this mood board example here, and you put a spaceship in there, is that relevant to the theme of that mood board? Probably not, because it's about fashion, not space. And make sure you use the mood board throughout production to ensure the theme is being followed. So keep referring back to your mood boards to make sure you are following the theme of the project. Things to remember: a mood board is a collage of objects which try to capture a feeling, theme, or design. Again, objects are things like images, text, fonts, that sort of thing. Purpose of a mood board: it's a central focus of ideas in one place, used to generate ideas for a client to meet their approval before creating the final product. And content of a mood board: images, colours, and text. And if a physical mood board, you'll also include textures as well.